The table shows the distribution of marks in a mathematics exam. So we've got the marks here and the frequency. It says calculate an estimate for the mean mark. What was the modal class? The pass mark was 70. What is the percentage of students who passed the exam? So what you have to do is, because we can't actually find the actual mean, we have to estimate that the 4 people here actually got the mid value, which is 3.5. So we work out the mid value for 35, not 3.5. So we work out the mid value for each of these classes. So we get 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Just be careful though when doing this, making sure that sometimes they might creep in one which is not the same equal width. Okay, so 4 got 35, so we do 4 times 35. This is called fx. So 4 times 35 is 140. 8 times 45 is 360. 12 times 55 is 660. 11 times 65 is 715. 6 times 75 is 600. 5 times 85 is 425. Now what you do is you now add up these. These come to 48, and you add up these, which come to 2,900. So an estimate mean will be the sum of all these, which is 2,900, divided by the sum of the frequencies. So that's 2,900 divided by 48, which will give you an approximate answer of 60.423 significant figures. Bear in mind, this is not an exact answer for the mean, because some of the original meaning of the data has been lost. To find the modal class, you just look to see which one has the highest frequency. Be careful, it's not that 8 and 8. The one that has the highest frequency is this one, which is 12. So the modal class will be the class between 50 and 60. The pass mark was 70. What percentage of students is that? So it means 8. These people here passed the exam, so the pass mark was 70, so it's quite high. So the students who passed will be the 8 plus 5, which will be 13 students, and there were 48 altogether. So as a percentage, that will be 13 over 48 times 100. Again, you just use the fraction button on your calculator, which is 27.08, which will be 27.1% to 3 significant figures. So notice that here we have a mixture, like percentages is cropped in on a statistics question. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.